All right, you guys, so finally I'm dropping off the charger to get Procharged. So I was told it'll be done by the weekend, guys, so it should be very interesting weekend this coming Sunday. I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna hang out with some guys, some Mopar guys, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we're here at EMP Performance. This is like Mopar heaven here. All right, guys, so you see what's going on. We're dropping off the Charged get Procharged, guys. This is gonna come out brand new, sounding great once we pick her up, and that's only gonna be about a week.
Watch me going in with this. Yeah. I should be good, but
you're good on your right side. Tyler! Yeah.
yo, leaf blower.
Oh, I want to put air inside.
Oh, okay. Treated the same way you always did.
Was the best in his category for 10 years.
He was a stock picker.
He was a stock picker. I'm sorry, he was not a stock picker, he was a company picker.
Okay.
Big difference.
Which companies in his day? Is he an IBM investor?
He was a large IBM investor.
There's your snail.
See what pulled away. Indeed, the technology sector was one of his favorites.
What was his biggest impact on Wall Street? The world of investing. In what area did he have the biggest impact?
You know, he called them growth stocks. Back in 1937.
CrossFit?
The economy in general was pretty flat, but there was a group of companies that were going far past the economy. He worked for one.
Yo, so we're gonna go pick up the charger. I know it's nighttime, but you know, I'm a busy man, so this is like the only chance I could go get it. Because tomorrow I'm busy. Pretty much every time I'm busy. So if the guy tells me pick it up tonight, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick it up tonight. So my boy right here, he's doing me the favor of taking me.
Man? How you guys doing?
Alright. So, you know, I'm gonna still show you how it looks at night. Then tomorrow morning we'll do a nice cold start, and And stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be very interesting. All right, guys. So we got here, and my baby's waiting for me right outside. So you know what I mean. We're gonna go and check it out right now.
Wait, is this your baby?
No. Get the middle, get it closer from the middle. Walk to this, look at
The door handle don't open a fucking drive. Smells like gas. But it's gonna go away. Yeah, man. I mean, came out pretty good.
beast. Yo, that shit sound crazy, right, bro?
Down exactly in between the bell house.
All right, guys. I gave you guys a little tease, so you know where to come. EMP Performance, yo. This is like Mopar heaven, y'all heard? You know what I'm saying? So Mopar heaven, guys. It took 3 days to install. This guy's a beast. And he made my shit into a beast. Oh shit. Yeah.
There's no PCV sensor or crankcase pressure sensor, no. If it doesn't fix it, I would
Jesus Christ. Yo, I'm so excited, bro. That shit sound beast,
That
right?
shit sounds scary.
Right?
That shit sounds scary.
I would just drive like 25 miles per hour. That's it.
That's a waste.
That's
That's a
it.
waste.
That's it, bro. I'm scared of that shit now.
Let's switch.
Yeah, okay. It's like Mopar heaven, guys. Mopar heaven.
That's what I'm saying. So I mean, it's just one of those things I just thought of it, like an hour ago, and I had that issue one time on somebody's car where I had the oil was not fine, and it turns out it was underneath the intake manifold. I just started out to think about it. Let me know what happened. Best thing to do is just go from the PCV valve to the catch can, and then a breather on the other side of the catch can, air filter, okay? And then you put a plug on the top bar of the intake manifold, okay? And then on the oil cap, you go from there to another catch can, and then the same thing on the other side of that catch can, another breather filter. So that's a two catch can setup, and you're taking out the PCV valve entirely, going back into the engine. You're just breathing both sides of the atmosphere. All right? All right, cool. Good.
Well, thanks to Mike from EMP Performance. You know, I'm satisfied. Sounds good and all. You know what I'm saying? So. Woo! Yeah, baby. Alright. That was pretty cool right there. Alright guys, so it's the day after I brought the charger home, and let's listen to it. Let's get closer. Come here. They will pack. Check it out. Yo, go get a peep of that steering wheel. Special. Right, look good. SRT, look at the front split of everything over. Check it out. But I got the prettiest challenger on the East Coast, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Huh? No, it's not the stripper. It's fully loaded, baby. Check it out. Oh, man. Now, all those exhausts do sound nice, but you know if I pull that thing, it's going down. At that neck breaker, that's right there, it's Nova on IG, and so IG, I mean YouTube, you tell me. What sounds better, an Alpha Pack Thundercat, a head-turning Shelby, or a neck-breaking Charger? And with that, YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow Voodoo Vixen on IG, and don't forget to follow the Neck Breaker.